I'm just asking you, do you have a mental problem?
Yes.
You think that's funny?
No, sir.
How many family assault convictions do you have?
Yes.
4?
Welcome to one of the most intense hearings we've seen yet, the state of Texas versus Tommy Lee Beauchamp, a case that begins with confusion, a missing defendant, and spirals into a shocking confrontation between a father and the justice system. The judge's tone from the very start? Controlled but clearly irritated. When he asks, "Do you have a mental problem?" It's not sarcasm, it's frustration. Because this isn't Tommy's first encounter with the law. What unfolds here is a glimpse into the pattern of a man repeatedly accused of violence against the people closest to him, women, family, even the mother of his children. And as the judge's patience wears thin, the courtroom transforms into something between a lecture hall and a reckoning chamber. Watch closely. Every time the defendant interrupts, the judge pushes back harder. This isn't just about charges. It's about control, power, and the question that underlies so many domestic cases. Can people like Tommy ever truly change?
No response to the name called into the hall. No response to this name here in the courtroom. A defendant has failed to appear.
There's a gentleman on the side. He's disabled. Lady with it, but we need to get him to the hospital. It's a Lindsay Maynard.
Okay.
So, can I go and release him, let him go home?
Let's make sure that his lawyer knows.
I'm the lawyer.
For him, for Maynard?
Yeah, he's the guy that we had to get the medical records on last time. We went to see his medical.
He's pretty much freaking out.
Okay. All right, we're just going to reset him a week. All right. Yeah, he can be released. Yes. Yeah. Beauchamp, on Tommy Lee Beauchamp, he has failed to appear. A warrant shall be issued for his arrest. His bond was $7,000.
Correct.
It is doubled to $14,000. Plus, the defendant must have a GPS device as a condition of bond, so we know where he is when he's not here in court, when he's supposed to be.
Judge, and I'm sorry, I missed what Dennis was saying.
Lindsay.
He said he's having convulsions outside. He's told him.
Lindsay Maynard.
It's going to be
One of
a week.
Langston's.
Reset 1 week.
It's going to be 1 week. So he's having medical crisis.
Okay, that's okay.
Christopher Hinojosa.
He's here. You can know him? Come on up. Yeah, he's here. My other guys here.
The defendant stands before the judge, calm but almost dismissive, as his violent history is read out loud, assault after assault across multiple Texas counties. You can feel the judge's disbelief grow with every new conviction listed. It's not just the repetition, but it's the escalation. When the judge says, "You just move around the state and assault people," it's both accusation and exhaustion. What's powerful here is how the judge doesn't let him hide behind technicalities. Every detail, from the counties to the years, paints the image of a man who refuses to reform. Yet Tommy remains emotionless, almost detached. This moment captures one of the hardest truths in criminal law. When the same crime keeps repeating, the system starts to run out of sympathy.
Illegal possession of a controlled substance conviction in 2013 out of Fort Bend County. You pick up a assault family assault in 2018 out of Harris County. Then you just move around the state and just assault people. Then you've got another in 2020, a family assault conviction out of Fort Bend County. Oh, here's one. We've got another family assault conviction. These are all felonies out of Harris County, Texas. Now you want to come into Jefferson County and make a mess, mister?
No,
Are these women that you're assaulting?
it's a woman.
Is it?
It's a woman.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Man. What are we going to do
Just
to the person who assaults females regularly?
just with this being his announcement, I'm sorry, initial appearance, I was gonna put it on the announcement.
He's
I have an
a
offer,
habitual felon, right?
right, and the offer
He's looking at a minimum of 25. up to life imprisonment, right?
Right.
Minimum. Okay.
I just don't, I don't want to put it.
I think a jury wants to hear this in our county. This isn't where he's going to end up to assault. For his long history of assaults, we're not going to end up here. You're going to go to trial. We're going to let a jury here in Jefferson County decide your fate
Yes, sir.
because they really don't.
And then we reach a turning point. The judge dives deep into Tommy's pattern, connecting every assault to a new location, every conviction to a different woman. When the judge asks, "Are these women you're assaulting?" and Tommy admits, "Yes, it's chilling." That honesty isn't brave, it's damning. What's fascinating is how the judge flips the power dynamic. He doesn't let Tommy dominate the conversation. Every time the defendant interrupts or tries to justify himself, the judge calls him out, labeling him Mr. Rude Guy and Mr. Interrupter. These aren't just insults. They're character assessments in real time. It's a rare courtroom moment where the bench becomes a mirror, reflecting a man's own aggression back at him.
Yes, sir.
Well, we're going to stop the problem in this court.
Yes, I understand.
All right. What do you want to do next? Was this an initial appearance?
Yes, sir. I was gonna put it to the announcement, but I think what you're saying is you want to put it on the trial docket, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
He's gonna put it on the trial.
And here's another situation. Who is this? I'm not going to name the person that you assaulted because I don't want to. I'm sure they've been embarrassed enough by you.
So,
You're going to interrupt me too?
also, I apologize.
You get to speak. You have a fair opportunity to speak, but I sense your personality is dominance over others. That you're going to keep interrupting me
So,
and proving it.
yes.
You finished? Now can I speak,
Yes.
Mr. Rude Guy? All right, all right. What was the relationship of this person to you?
That's the mother of the children.
The mother of your children.
Yes. She does have a lot of mental issues.
What did you just say?
She does have a lot of mental issues. She actually.
She's not the one convicted here 5 times.
Yeah.
You're believed.
I'm not.
That's the jury's going to love that when you get to.
This is where it gets deeply personal. Tommy admits that his victim is the mother of his children. Instantly, the judge's tone shifts from angry to appalled. He asks if Tommy knows right from wrong, if he understands that hurting someone, especially a mother, has consequences that ripple far beyond one incident. When Tommy tries to deflect blame, calling her mentally unstable, the judge fires back, "She's not the one convicted here 5 times." That single line says it all. It exposes Tommy's denial and flips the narrative he's been hiding behind. The courtroom falls silent, and in that moment it's clear. This isn't just a legal case. It's a pattern of control, manipulation, and abuse. The judge isn't just sentencing a man, he's drawing a line for every victim who's ever been silenced in court.
Speak. Yeah. I don't mean to be facetious, but this is extraordinary. Generally, people don't show up with a rich criminal history. You know, you were a habitual felon 2 convictions ago. You had reached habitual felony status. You were looking at 25 to life before the last 2 convictions, which are the same type of offenses that you're here for today. Well, do you have any contact with this person other than when you assault them?
I haven't recently. No, sir.
I want to know when you do. The next time you do, your bond will be revoked.
Yeah.
You have no contact with this person. If I find out,
I'm sorry. I thought
when you're through talking
I was
again,
no,
Mr. Interrupter,
I'm sorry.
what a bully. What a bully. I can see how you would bully women, and have a rich history of it. Convictions of assaulting women. Well, it's going to stop. I find out you have any contact with this person, your bond will be revoked and you can sit it out in jail until we get around to trying this. Plus, you're going to have a GPS device. You have one now?
Yes, sir.
So that if you have any contact, we'll be able to find out where you were at any given time. You understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, put on the trial docket. Thank you. That's all.
And that's where this case lands. The state of Texas versus Tommy Lee Beauchamp ends with the judge doubling his bond to $14,000 and ordering a GPS monitor to track his every move. The message couldn't be clearer. His days of hiding, hurting, and controlling are over. The judge even warns, if he contacts the victim again, that bond will be revoked and jail will be waiting. This hearing wasn't about mercy, it was about accountability. A father with 5 assault convictions, still blaming others, finally confronted by a system that's done giving chances. The courtroom energy here says it all. Firm, final, and fed up. If you found this case as revealing as we did, make sure to like this video, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real courtroom breakdowns where justice meets emotion and truth takes center stage.